I'm Lindsay Del Carlo, Trial Garden Manager for Renee's Garden Seed, and today I'm going to show you how to juice the wheatgrass that we've grown from seed. And if you want to know how to grow wheatgrass from seed, you can see our video on how to grow wheatgrass from seed. And Renee's gives you a nice big bonus pack of wheatgrass seeds, and this allows you to grow wheatgrass in succession to have a long supply of wheatgrass. Most people have a blender in their house, and you don't need a fancy wheatgrass juicer to make wheatgrass juice, although there's plenty of juicers available on the market. So this 6-inch pot of wheatgrass will make a couple servings of juice. So I take my scissors and I cut pretty close to the roots, and I just get a nice big handful of grass. You don't want to get too close to the soil because then you might get some soil on the blades that you're going to use. I like to cut the grass into small chunks so that the blades of grass don't get tangled around the blade of your blender while you're blending. So then I will take about a cup of water and just add it to the blender. And then we'll blend this on high for about a minute so that it's all emulsified. I've got my wheatgrass all blended up, and I take a really fine mesh strainer and then I'll just strain it right into a cup. It'll be ready to drink. And then when you do it with the blender, it gets kind of foamy, but with the real fine strainer you can strain it out. And wheatgrass is best to consume as a juice. You don't want to take the blades and just put them in a smoothie or something like that because it's hard to digest all that roughage. But when you make a juice, it's a great way to add really concentrated nutrients to your diet. Now I have my wheatgrass juice strained, and you can see I have cut most of the foam and all the pulp from the grass in my strainer. And wheatgrass is best consumed pretty soon after you make your juice. So if you're not going to use it, drink it right away, it's good to store it in the fridge and use it within a day. And with wheatgrass, it's good to start out slowly. Drink small amounts at first and see how your body reacts. And when you make it this way in the blender with a little water added, it's much less strong than when you make it with a juicer, and it's very, very concentrated. After you cut your pot of wheatgrass, it is possible to let it grow back for a second cutting, but it won't be as high in nutrients as the first time it grows. So to buy our Renee's Garden organic wheatgrass seeds, you can go to reneesgarden.com. I hope you enjoy your wheatgrass and you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.